Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame first, think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just a whole lot of house cleaning and get rid of all these lines. Sure, these lines still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed above, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, 810 was that area of support, but now that the price is down below it on any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, 810 is going to be that initial area of resistance. But as of right now, the main thing I don't think is necessarily breaking levels of resistance or anything like that, as the price is well below that. And given the final 30 minutes, you can see big volume, big red candle. I think the higher priority right now is where some next potential. We may need to go to another time frame, actually. What should we do? We'll stay here. I realize it's hard to see, but this just kind of really goes to show that it's been a long time since the price has been down this low on the chart. So next key area of support to keep an eye on, going to be down there at $7.75, which was a previous breakout point. When was that? Back there on, looks like January 30th. So yeah, it's been a while since the price has been down this low. If that level cannot hold up as support, next key overall level, give or take right around the $7.50 mark. So keep an eye on those couple levels, and we'll see what happens with it. But that final 30 minutes definitely was pretty rough on the day, and we'll see if this is just kind of a faulty breakdown and if the price can stabilize or not, or if this is the start of something much more bearish. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.